Good girl. Is it a girl or a boy? Oh, good boy. Oops, there it goes. Go get it, Taylor. Go get it. Huh? There's a lot of responsibility.
Look at him go!
I know.
He's like full on.
He's a pretty dog. He's a pretty dog.
Good boy!
How
I
old
haven't
is
had him down here in a while. He loves to go.
I can tell.
I was away for a while and have my daughter watching him. They don't have any water, any heat.
He is going to be filthy.
Just loves it.
I can tell. That is so cute.
Warm, we got the bark, but it's warming up. I think the water's in the 50s, about 50.
You know what? We live in Brick, and it's nice and sunny there. I said we live in Brick.
Rick?
It's nice and sunny over there.
Yeah, oh yeah. Good said. Oh!
Oops. Too far.
Don't give him that.